If you guys are looking for a Bosphorus view mansion on the Asian side of Istanbul with the price tag of $23 million, so I believe this is the video for you. So my lovely investors from all around the world, let's talk about location a little bit. The art mansion is based in Beykoz. Beykoz is one of the most finest areas on the Anatolian side of Istanbul. I believe this is one of the most high-end luxury area, which is one of the most green areas in Istanbul. So I believe you should see this mansion and you will love the video. So my lovely dear investors, as you have already known about the price, you have already seen the location. Let's go to the balcony. We'll discuss about further details, what we have. Let's go now. Look at this amazing balcony which is opening on the face of Bosphorus, and the weather is amazing today. Sunny summers of Istanbul. Let's go. So now let's talk about the history of this mansion. This mansion is around 140 years old. It was built at the time of Ottoman around 1880. Okay, so now let's further talk about the details of this mansion. How many rooms do we have? What is the meter square? How many social facilities we have? Okay, total meter square of this mansion is around 1200 meter square. The covered area of this mansion is 1000 meter square. 200 is the green area surrounded by this mansion. We have around 7 rooms here. We have 2 living areas, 2 massive kitchen. We have the place for your study. We have the place for your living here. We have the place for your home office here. We have the place for your maids, servants here. We have the place for your guests here. We have one of the amazing swimming pool here on the basement. So I believe we have all the social facilities on the face of Bosphorus with the price tag of only $23 million. So if you are the one who wanted to come here, who wanted to live here, who wanted to, as I always say, who wanted to live like a royal here, like a king here, so I believe this can be one of the biggest opportunities for you. Now let's go inside and I will give you the tour of this mansion. My lovely investors from all around the world, I believe you got the tour of this mansion, you know about the price, you know about the location. So still you have any kind of query, you have any kind of concern, you can contact us, and you want to live in Istanbul like a royal, like a king, then I believe you should not miss this opportunity. And if you have any kind of query, you can contact us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And see you all in the next video. Thank you.